Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Allahabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of Intermediate Second Year Maths B. We started a discussion in the chapter Parabola. What did we learn? We started with the basics of how do we find an equation, right, and all the parameters of parabola. Then we also discussed about tangents and normals in our last session. Let us continue with the same discussion. The first question is given as show that this line is a tangent to this parabola. How? The common condition, first we have to make it in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, then we will write the slope is equal to a by c is equal to a by m, we will check that condition. Okay, see here, let us write 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0 as y is equal to 2x plus 2. Yes, then what is m here? M is 2, c is 2. Yes, then what about this equation? Y square equal to 16x. If I equate with y square equal to 4x, 4a is 16, a is 4. Now check, c is equal to a by m ka condition. What is 2? What is a? 4 by m is 2. Yes, 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, let us say 1 and 2. Equation 1 is tangent to equation 2, no doubt. Right? Then how do we find the point of contact? We directly have the formula, right? What is it? Just tell me, a by m square comma 2a by m. Yes, we proved. So, let us substitute it. A is 4 by m square 2 into a by m. 2 2 4 4 will get cancelled. The point is 1 comma 4. Is it right? Clear? Fine. Look at the next question. Find the equation of tangent to this parabola inclined at an angle 60 degrees with its axis and find the point of contact. What was the formula for finding a tangent? We derived y is equal to mx plus a by m, right? So, let us take y square is equal to 16x, compare it with y square equal to 4ax. 4a is 16, a is 4. Then what is m? M is tan theta. Hope you all know that. Slope is nothing but tangent of angle. Yes. So, m is equal to tan 60, which means m is equal to root 3. What is the formula of equation of tangent? Equation of tangent is y is equal to mx plus a by m. Let us substitute everything here itself. Y is equal to root 3x plus 4 by root 3. Clear? Let us put it like that, or else if you want to simplify, you can. Let me write it as root 3y is equal to 3x plus 4, that is nothing but 3x minus root 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Yes, fine. He is also asking us to find the point of contact. What is the formula of point of contact? Same story. Point of contact is equal to a by m square comma 2a by m. What is a? A is 4 by m square is 3 comma 2 into 4 by root 3. Therefore, the point is 4 by 3 comma 8 by root 3. This is a point of contact. Is it clear? This is how we can find equation of tangent and point of contact. Shall we go to the next problem? Let's do. Look at the question here. He is asking us to find the equations of tangents to parabola this, which are parallel and perpendicular to this equation. So, what are the things we have to remember? We know that equation of tangent is y is equal to mx plus a by m, right? C, that is nothing but a by m. isn't it? So we have to write parallel ka condition and perpendicular ka slope we have to find. Okay. Now in order to do this, parallel slope will be same, that is 2, right? Perpendicular ka slope, that is minus 1 by 2, is it? Here it is minus 2 by minus 1, which is 2, and there it is minus 1 by 2. And what about a here? Y square equal to 4ax, 4a equal to 16, a is equal to 4. Clear? Just substitute in the equation. Y is equal to mx plus, only plus a by m, okay, that is 4 by 2. Here also y is equal to mx plus a by m. 2 ones are 2 twos are, y is equal to 2x plus 2. Therefore, the equation is 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, and here y is equal to minus x by 2 minus 8. If you want, you can take LCM here. 2y is equal to minus x minus 16. Therefore, x plus 2y plus 16 is equal to 0. Done. These are the two equations which are, equations of tangents which are parallel to and perpendicular to this equation. Okay, just have an idea. Don't just write whatever you want. Is it clear? If you want to find points of intersection also, we can find. How? A by m square to a by m. There also a by m square to a by m. Here m will change. Here m is 2 and here m is minus 1 by 2. Is it right? No doubts. Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Look at the question here. He is telling that show that equations of common tangents to the circle and the parabola are this equation. So, how do we check the condition that the straight line is a tangent to the circle? R is equal to D, that was a condition. And how do we check for a parabola? C is equal to A by M, right? So, let us club those two equations and find. Okay. So, we can do it in two ways, that is, we have to assume one equation for one tangent for circle, and we will prove that that equation is a tangent to this. That is one method. Second, we will take a tangent of a parabola and we will prove that this tangent is a, that line is also a tangent to this circle. Anything is fine. So, let us take this equation. Since we are in parabola, just now we have seen many problems of tangents. Let us assume, let m be slope of tangent. So, equation of tangent to y square equal to 8ax will be y is equal to mx plus a by m. What is a here? 2a. Why? If it is 4ax, it was only a. Since it is 8ax, we wrote it as 2a. Clear? Now, let us simplify and write it in the standard form, and let us use a condition r equal to d for this. Clear? See here. Let me take LCM m square x plus 2a, that is equal to my equal to m square x plus 2a, that is m square x minus my plus 2a equal to 0. This equation is a tangent to the circle. Okay. Equation 1 is tangent to x square plus y square equal to 2a square. So, what is the condition? R is equal to D, right. So, radius is root 2a, yes, and the perpendicular distance from center to this line. Let me write here, center is origin, radius is root 2a, and D is perpendicular distance from center to this line, that is mod 0 minus 0 plus 2a by under root m square ka square, that is m power 4, and here it is m square. Clear? So, let us square on both sides. What do we get? 2a square is equal to 4a square by m power 4 plus m square, right? A square will get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 twos are. This will be m power 4 plus m square minus 2 is equal to 0. Can we solve? If you do not know how to solve with m square, you can take some parameter, clear? Or else let me do it directly. What is the factors of 2? That is 2m square minus m square. If I take m square common, I will get it as m square plus 2. If I take minus common, I will get it as m square plus 2. So, m square plus 2 into m square minus 1 equal to 0. M square plus 2 equal to 0, m square minus 1 equal to 0. M square can never be equal to minus 2. Why? It will go to some complex number. So, here m square is equal to 1, m can be equal to plus or minus 1. Substitute the same thing in this equation. So, what will be the tangent? Y is equal to plus or minus x plus 2a by plus or minus 1. Is it right? Therefore, the equation of tangents will be plus or minus x plus 2a. Is it right? Once again, let me tell you, he is asking us to show that the common tangent to the circle and the parabola is this form. This is important, you can easily understand. So, we will assume the tangent for this parabolic equation, that is y equal to mx plus 2a by m. The standard y square equal to 4x, here we used to write a. Since here it is 8x, we wrote it as 2a. Okay. This equation is a tangent to this circle. So, we will use the condition r equal to d and we will find the value of m and we will substitute in the equation. This is the equation of common tangent. Is it right? Okay. Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Look at the next question here. He is asking us to find the condition that this equation is a tangent to this parabola. We did a introduction about this y square equal to 4x, right? This is the flip thing. Okay. So, let us do it. So, given x square equal to 4ay, what is tangent? Xx1 minus 2a into y plus y1 equal to 0. So, let me write it in the standard form, xx1 minus 2ay minus 2ay1 equal to 0. Similarly, let us write this equation also, mx minus y plus c equal to 0. This equation represents same, right? Equation 1 and 2 represents same. So, m by x1 is equal to minus 1 by minus 2a is equal to 2c by 2a y1. So, let me equate these both and these both. Why? So that we can find the values of x1 and y1. So, m by x1 is 1 by 2a, 1 by 2a is c by 2a y1. So, what is x1 here? 2am. Here y1 is nothing but direct c. So, the point of contact is 2am comma c. Let us substitute this point in a parabola equation. Okay. So, from x square equal to 4ay, 2am whole square is equal to 4ac. So, 4a square m square equal to 4ac, 4 a will get cancelled, I will get c is equal to am square. This is a condition that this equation is a parabola to this. Clear? Did you understand? These are all the basic questions of how do we find the tangent normal of a parabola. Clear? So, and one more thing before ending, remember these two things, that is equation of tangent at a parametric point, that is 80 square comma 280. This is the equation of tangent and this is the equation of normal of a parabola at this parametric point. Is it okay? Fine. What all we discussed today? We started with the equations of tangents itself, the conditions, how do we check the condition, how do we find the common tangents of a parabola and circle, right? And we also found out the conditions like this. Clear? Fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with more problems of parabola. Thank you.